Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm making an Italian buttercream frosting. This frosting is known for its stability and its luxurious texture. The first step for making the Italian buttercream is to make a cooked meringue. So to a medium-large saucepan, I'm going to add my granulated sugar and water. And I'm going to start heating this because I'm going to make a cooked sugar syrup. So medium-high heat. I'm going to stir this only until the sugar dissolves, because once it dissolves, you don't want to touch it because that can cause the sugar syrup to crystallize. To my stand mixer with a whisk attachment, I'm going to add my egg whites. Egg whites are at room temperature. This is best in order to get a really nice voluminous fluff to them. So I'm going to start this just on low until the egg whites are frothy. I'm going to bring my sugar syrup up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, meanwhile while whipping my egg whites on low speed. Okay, we've hit 200, a little more than 200 degrees. I'm gonna increase my speed on my whites to high while I cook my sugar syrup to 240 degrees. Now that number is really important to watch for. It's always these last few degrees that seem like they take forever. 240 on the dot, there we go. Take your thermometer out, turn this off. And you're gonna aim for the space in between the inside of the bowl and the whisks in a slow, steady stream. And you're gonna concentrate while you do this. Medium-high on your stand mixer for the speed. And you're looking for, while you whip, you want your egg whites to start increasing in volume and they'll become glossy. Those are the indicators to know that you're doing this correctly. Once you get towards the end, you can increase the rate at which you're pouring your cooked sugar in. All right. Now we've made our meringue portion of the buttercream. This is going to whip until it's really voluminous. It's going to be more velvety in texture. You're going to whip this until the bowl is at your body temperature. Okay, so if I were to stop now, I essentially have Italian meringue, which is what you would top a lemon meringue pie with before you toast it, or this is what would get piped onto the outside of a baked Alaska and torched. But we're going to turn this meringue into buttercream by adding room temperature butter. So turn your stand mixer back on, and you're gonna add 1 cube at a time until it's well incorporated, and then you keep adding. You're gonna see the volume deflate because we've whipped all this air into the meringue, but the butter, because it has so much fat in it, is going to cause it to deflate. It's fine, that's what we're looking for. That's what gives you that really thick, velvety texture. Okay, and now I'm about to add in my last piece of butter. I'm gonna whip this in until it's completely incorporated, and then it's time to add my flavorings. Scrape down my sides. Oh, look at that lovely texture and consistency. It's fluffy. It's really white in color, so if you wanted to keep your frosting white and not dye it, this is the frosting to make. And now it's time to add my vanilla bean paste. I love vanilla bean paste for this because it's super concentrated flavor, and you can see those really nice little specks of the vanilla bean as well. And then a pinch of salt. Every time you have something sweet, you want to add a little bit of salt for balance. Whisk this in. All right, beautiful. Everything is now combined. My buttercream is completely complete. You can see it's nice and velvety, holds some nice lines. I can't wait to put this on a cupcake. For cupcakes, I like to use an offset spatula. Grab some, and then you can see just how velvety and smooth this Italian buttercream really is. Italian buttercream is totally worth the extra effort it takes to make it. It is wonderfully sweet, but you also get that really nice richness of the butter. Enjoy.